Hello friends, how do you? Today we are going to see a nice drawing. So let's start the drawing here. I'm starting from the top part, which is a face of a woman, and I'm going to put the hair on top. All right. There's a bundle we can see. Okay. Let's adjust the frame. The bundle is here. It's a very big size. All right. You can see one hand, she's holding the bundle. Okay. I'm going to draw the hand in a full shape. Okay. The hair you can see, and the part of the clothing is coming under that. All right. On the other hand, we can see on the other side, and also we're going to see another part of the clothing. There's a baby which is tied with another clothing, and baby is looking at us. Okay. And we can see the leg. The designs of the clothing and the wrinkles as she is wearing it, you can see directly here. This is the bottom part of the clothing. All right. Okay, now we are going to put the legs. And the other leg. All right, and then we're going to connect this point, and she's working on the road. Now you can see that the basic outline it is done. Let's put the colors. So we are going to put the dark color for the dress here. We're going to outline the shape of the dress and the wrinkles. Let's going to put some shades and shadows within the drawing. All right, the hair, this is black too. You can see that. All right, and the other parts on the front, you can see wrinkles are in some parts visible, in some parts that's not visible. But it's making a very nice shape, isn't it? Keep working on the shading. Drawing is going to be a nice one. It's a very nice weather today. Temperature is very good. It's neither too cold, not too hot. So very good environment. All right. You can see a orange shape here. Okay. And blue for the bundle. All right. Okay, so that's a variable shades you can see. Let's put the pink color for the blouse she is wearing. And we're going to put the yellow color for the body part. It's a nice color, the yellow body part. And the legs you can see here at the bottom. Okay, the hair color is black for the boy. And this is the road. She is walking by. All right. So this is the basic drawing. The woman is carrying the bundle over her head, and the boy is binded with her body with another piece of clothes, and she's walking forward. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel as you like it. If you browse through the playlist, you can see lots of variations, and you can choose your own choices and start learning. Thank you so much. Have a good day.